Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this lined tote bag. First of all, I've cut out my fabric pieces and I'm just making sure I have all the pieces that I'm going to use to make the lined tote. So first we'll be making the straps. So I have like 2 straps. Don't forget to check the description box below to get the dimensions for the different fabric pieces that I'll be using for the lined tote bag. So here I'm just folding the straps into 2, then opening it up, and I fold the 2 ends together and fold it once more. So I'll be sewing down the length of the 2 straps. So I've pinned them, and now I'm sewing them up. Next, I'll be preparing my pocket. So I place my 2 pocket pieces together, right side spacing. Then I'll sew the top only. Afterwards, I'll turn it to the outside and top stitch the top of the pocket. Next, I'll be placing my pocket on the outer piece. So I'm folding the outer piece into 2. Then I'll place my pocket in the middle. So I'll place it like 4 inches down from the top of the outer piece. Then I'll pin it down and sew the 2 short sides only. So still working on the front part of the bag, I'll be placing my straps on the pocket. So I'll make sure the straps are covering the raw edges of the sewn pocket. I'll pin it down. Then I'm going to start measuring from the top of the bag. I'll measure 1.5 inches down, mark it. Then from that I'll measure another 1.25 inch. Starting from the bottom part of the bag, I'll sew up till I get to the marked lines. Then make sure I sew around all the marks that I made. Then go back down, then up again. I'll sew the other side of the strap as well. Make sure when you're sewing you don't sew to the very top of the bag. Here I think I had to unpick the stitches because I sewed to the very top. So I'm supposed to stop at the top of the box that I made. Next, I'll put the other strap on the other outer piece. Put all my marks, then sew down the straps. Next, I'll be working on the bottom panel of the bag. So I'll take one of the bottom panel and place it 6¼ inch from the bottom of the bag. I'll place the bottom panel right side facing with the outer piece. I'll be sewing on the part where the bottom panel meets the bottom of the pocket. After sewing the bottom panel to the outer part of the bag, I'll fold the bottom panel down, then give it a good press. I'll repeat for the other outer piece. So I'll sew the bottom panel to the other part of the outer piece. When I've finished sewing both panels to the bag, I'll do a row of top stitch. Here I'll be sewing my outer piece together, so I'll place the two outer pieces together right sides facing and sew the two sides and bottom part of the bag. I'll take the two lining pieces, place them right sides together and sew the side and bottom part of the lining. When I'm done sewing the outer and lining pieces together, I'm going to make the box shape of the bottom of the bag. So here I'm aligning the bottom and side seam pinning. Then I'll take my tape roll and measure 2 inches down, mark it with my fabric pen. Then I'll do the same for the other side. So I'll mark 2 inches down from the corner. Repeat for the outer bag. I'll then take them to the sewing machine and sew down all the corners. Here I'm trimming down the excess fabric. Here I'm placing my outer bag into the lining, right sides together. I'll make sure I match the side seams before pinning. I'll pin all around the bag, making sure the straps are out of the way so that I don't accidentally sew my straps. I use a decorative stitch to do the top stitching, and the back turned out very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye.